How to add photo to your playlist on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add photo to your playlist on Deezer mobile. First, then open Deezer, and here you will find this settings, this favorites icon here in the bottom corner. Click on it, and then just here you will find the playlists, and then just select your playlist, and then just click this pen here, and click here, and now just click this one, choose another picture, and that's it. Just select any picture you want, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like, and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.